Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to whitelist an email in Gmail. So basically Gmail application doesn't support setting filters on your mobile, but I have some solution how you can whitelist an email. So firstly, let's open Gmail application on the device, and we need to open the email we want to whitelist. For example, I have this from Google, and then we need to tap the three dots button in the upper right corner. Note that this is not the three dots button next to the sender, it's in the very upper right corner, and here you should see button mark as important. So this function, this action will ensure that those emails from this specific sender will not go to the spam folder, and you will not miss this email. But also another thing I wanted to mention that so the problem is that I have this email from the Google, and also I have some emails from Shein, from Facebook, so I don't have just ordinary sender and email. So if it's an email from the real person, not like this advertising thing, so again, open this email, click the three dots button, and here you should see the button add to contacts. And also this will help Gmail recognize emails from this specific sender as safe emails, and also those emails will not go to the spam folder. But again, it's just for the regular senders of emails, so like not Shein or Google or YouTube, you see. So and again, to set filters you need to use a desktop version of Gmail application. So that's how you can whitelist an email in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.